Alright guys, so what you're going to want to do next is get the car up on preferably a driveway. I got it at the very steepest part of my driveway and then up on ramps just to give it as much slope as possible. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start the car up with this closed, fill this bucket up to the full mark, and before you start it, just crack this almost completely open, okay? Where it's got just a couple of little threads hanging on. And you can see here, there's bubbles working their way out. That, my friend, is how you bleed the system. So, here's the process for bleeding almost any Toyota product, whether it be a Scion or a Lexus or a Toyota. With the engine basically at operating temperature, 3,000 RPM, count 30 seconds. You hold it like that for 30 seconds. I'm not going to bore you with this part of it. Then you let it idle for 5 seconds. And then you pick it back up to 3,000 for 30 seconds. Obviously, you're going to have your heater on full hot. I had the fan full hot here. And it is hot. So we're just pumping as much fluid, and I've got the temperature set to full hot, fan on high. I want to displace as much water as possible, so you set the temperature as high as you can, so that way the valve is all the way open and it pumps that water through. There we go, that's 45 seconds. All right, so you want to pump all that water through the heater core that's over here. All right, and then you let it sit for 5 seconds idling, and you do that again for another 30 seconds. And when you come back up, what you'll see is more air coming out. Okay, we just keep pumping it out, keep checking your reservoir, make sure that it's not below the empty mark. If it is, close this off, and then open this up and top it back to the full mark, which is down there. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't put the full mark somewhere a little more visible. That's it, piece of cake.